In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Babbel coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Babbel coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Voucher Discount. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this promo code with up to 75% discount of Babbel Live, all you need to do is just select this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can use this one in order to get a 75% discount. Going back to the main search right here, we also have this website which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some benefits and discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this one at 40% discount right here, which is also a verified code. All you need to do is just select this button where it says get code. And here is the promo code right here. You can just tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one in order to get the 40% discount. So this is pretty much it all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.